Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Distribution of profit when partnership deed is silent. Ram, Rahim and Karim are partners in a firm. They have no agreement in respect of profit sharing ratio, interest on capital, interest on loan advanced by partners and remuneration payable to partners. Ram, who has contributed maximum capital, demands interest on capital at 10% per annum and share of profit in the capital ratio, but Rahim and Karim does not agree. Rahim has devoted full time for running the business and demands salary at the rate of rupees 500, but Ram and Karim does not agree. Karim demands interest on loan of rupees 2000 advanced by him at market rate of interest at 12% per annum. Resolve the dispute and prepare profit and loss appropriation account after transferring 10% of the divisible profit to reserve. Net profit before taking into account of any other claims is rupees 45,000 at the end of the first year of business. As there is no partnership deed, therefore the following provisions of Indian Partnership Act are to be applied. No interest on capital is payable on any partner. Therefore, Ram is not entitled to interest on capital. No remuneration is payable to any partner. Therefore, Rahim is not entitled to any salary. Interest on loan payable at 6% per annum. Therefore, Karim is to get interest at 6% per annum on rupees 2000. The profits should be distributed equally. So the profit and loss account, appropriation account would show like this. The profit, the net profit is 45,000 credited to the profit and loss appropriation account. The debit side would be interest payable to Karim at the rate of 6% on rupees 2000. So 120 is debit. Transferred to reserve account, the 10% of balance, that is 45,000 minus 120 is 10% of that 4488. So the balance is transferred to each partner equally. That comes to rupees 13,644 for each person. Profit after transfer of reserve is equal to 45,000 minus 120 plus 4488. This will be, that is 40,392 would be divided among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.